You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word in French and how it is pronounced in English as well. If you want to learn more confusing French pronunciations and vocabulary, make sure to stay tuned to the channel. Rouleaux is how you pronounce it. It's got an X at the end because it's the plural. Some words have an X at the end for the plural, and that's the words with EAU at the end. But the X is silent, so don't worry about it. Rouleaux. In English, it's normally pronounced as rouleaux. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.